Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The countdown begins to the final weekend of autumn, potentially the first truly sunny weekend the state has seen in months. Many places have received fewer than half their normal sunshine hours this season, but clouds have started parting in the north and rain should hopefully clear the southeast by Friday night. Today's top temperature at Rockhampton Airport was 26 degrees after a low this morning of 17. Gladstone got to 25 this time, and Emerald also reached the top of 25. On the satellite loop, we're starting to see a merging of the middle cloud coming from the upper trough through the west, with the coastal cloud coming from the driving southeast winds we've experienced over several days into one big cloud mass. It started to tilt southwards, and you can see it's mostly Capricornia southwards that's being affected by cloud now. The tropics are almost clear, or certainly getting close to it. Let's have a look at today's chart. On the surface, we've got that slow-moving high, southeast winds persisting, little trough offshore. It's been there for days and days, and that's helping to compress the isobars, increase the swell and the moisture that's reaching the coast that's feeding the rain band. Tomorrow's chart. High moves a little bit further east. Notice the trough starting to come a bit south. The upper level trough will tilt in concert with that trough and move the weather southwards as well. So we'll be clearing through most of the tropics, but storms everywhere else. That's the last big one before the clearance. On the outlook chart, we see the clearance now. All the weather now moves into the southeast corner where the low moves, and by Saturday, hopefully it will all be offshore. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Capricornia waters, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots tomorrow on that persistent 2 metre easterly swell. Winds are going a little bit more southerly on Friday, again 15 to 20 knots, and just 10 to 15 on Saturday from the south. We start the day with an early morning high tide, not a particularly large tide with the last quarter moon only recently gone, but slowly growing each day. The Capricornia district forecast showers tomorrow with possible thunderstorms. Gladstone 25 degrees, Rockhampton 16 to 26, Billawheeler 25, Yeppoon 23. The Central Highlands and Coalfields, again showers and storms, especially around the Carnarvon Ranges. Emerald 25 degrees, Claremont and Moranbah also 25. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, after tomorrow's storms we can enjoy essentially sunny conditions from Friday with comfortable temperatures at first, but then a real wintry snap starting Tuesday. Well, that's me for this evening, folks. Get yourself a bottle of bubbles, and if the sun comes out simultaneously for all of us this weekend, let's toast to the autumn that never came. Catch you soon. Back to the team.
Yeah, good on you, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Nice having your company, folks. See you tomorrow night. And also a reminder, if you'd like to watch a replay, you can on the 7plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, good night. Good night.